So today I'm gonna show you guys how much you can make with Roblox, as well as how to do it step by step. Firstly, I wanna show you guys a few earnings. As you can see here, we have a game with 630,000 Robux earned in the last 72 hours. If we go to a DevX calculator website, we can see here that 630,000 equals to $2,400, which is around $800 per day. This game right here made 1.08 million in the last 72 hours. That's around $4,100. That's around $1,300 per day. This is an overall withdrawal from multiple games, which is 7 million Robux. And as you can see here, 7 million Robux equals to $26,600, which is a lot of money just from a Roblox game. Next up, we have this game with 19,000 currently active users and 12 million visits in total. It's currently generating 2 million Robux per day, which is around $7,600 per day. This game is planned to be scaled to at least 5 million Robux per day, which when we look here is equaling to $19,000 per day, which is a lot of money for one Roblox game. Now I'm gonna show you how to do this step by step. Firstly, you need to come up with a game idea. The easiest way to do it is to head over to the roblox.com website and look at the charts section, which is the game section, and find games that look simple to make but also have a lot of players. Then you think of your own game idea that's similar but different at the same time. If you have a hard time coming up with an idea, you can ask ChatGPT to help you out. The next step is planning the game. The easiest way is to ask ChatGPT for help. For example, let's say you picked Blox Fruits as your game. Head over to ChatGPT and write something like, I want to make a game like Blox Fruits on Roblox, but tycoon style. Let's say you want to do this. Give me the whole game plan. Now, ChatGPT will generate you the whole game plan for the game. You don't have to do anything at all. As you can see here, in under a minute, it generated everything, the whole game concept, everything. All the systems, everything. You don't need to do anything yourselves. Just ask ChatGPT and it will give you all the info you need. Next step is making a list of things you have to do. Personally, I use this website called Trello. As you can see, it's very well organized, easy to work with, and in my opinion, it's the best website to use for this. Lastly, use AI to code and build the game. You don't need any experience to do this. All you have to do is head over to Gemini 2.5 Pro, which is right here. Just Google Gemini 2.5 Pro, it's completely free to use, and it's gonna basically build the whole game for you. It takes no effort to use. All you have to do is give it the game plan of your game. It will do completely everything, step by step. All you have to do is place the scripts in the Roblox Studio and build the objects it tells you to build. That's all you have to do. And that's it. If you have a good game idea, you will be able to generate this kind of revenue yourself. Lastly, make sure to hop in my Discord server. There's a bunch of free tools to use, bunch of free methods, and everything you need is there. So make sure to join.